Jemo Adom TV, so here live on Facebook, Samsung, Ocean so ewo YouTube. Ubeja so ashe ewo DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. And so we here live and so on meeting they akwasin se ebre ready say ye bedim komo kase no ankasa on Badwam. Ye fa na seke say koma Franco Trading Enterprise be baka kiro esa phone papa na josu e na ewo say ye iPhone, Samsung, Nokia and Alpa. Near Chena the boy ewo from area mao eye Franco Trading Enterprise for area shemo ewon krai kuma setema ene mia awudo nyina phrase 0246 422 338 0246 422 338. Me say kai say of Franco air condition so near bebo ye de ma na entwe karen bebre nkofaka emma ne nyina Franco Trading Enterprise. Safari tissue any makacho sesebi COVID-19 yade etwene so obi agya handkerchief use no obi yade adwuma eye tissue enye bia so na betim dia for wanim ohia Safari tissue isa se ne mo edru o de bepo wanim a entity enko wanim Ghana ba bia eton tissue bia kwansa ebeka bi ato richoko anapatutu no atwa hyehyehye yakase kokoko ne yade aye ede pa on motim so wanya hoden mu ahoden ebeboa mo otimi agina na so be se opeso tu kwankwa abrochire na akosuade a eye zest consult the German number phrase here 0555 631 633. Zest consult katam so person tre IELTS SAT na FGRE obeboa mo nya scholarship e UK ni US ana akosuade utonfia na so person otofie nso a Zest consult be di udwuma edma ade ama sa be na so asene emiede Mpensenpensemu eto aso ede ama medin de akwesi ensia pani na pani ne etwe nkumo. Fortunate for us, and as I made a no, say Deputy Minister for Employment and Labor Relations. Why your former MP for Akwetia, and baby or the knee echere Ayawasu East constituency in the Greater Accra region. Leading Eddie Papa Jaba. Papa Fishapa.
I think I'm a train.
Say after a country crying share.
In share. Yeah, my fisher, Papa. But my phone in fisher.
It does. Yeah, I also is Bocodier.
Oh, let me do a hoboko. I'm saying, send your kind. I ever is today. Yes. Na menoka say, the beer the enti atinka boni bia. Paboni ebo say, Yankupo mbe Adom na on the 13th no ebe kwa kotuaba.
Okay.
I was Sunjim. For the first time, Ayawasu has not been flagged.
Yeah.
As a danger area. Okay. The peace about.
Sure.
But the mripi no before me call crown was any time by elections. They want to me flag it. Yeah. I mean no say flag Ayawasi East as a danger zone.
Okay.
So Charles said asumje ho.
Okay.
A campaign obia any pamiensa na stand obia in the campaign was asumje mu. So far so good. Ntini e be say na me say send e okutekute mu no. Odi embe kwa batro. Na ne Nyankopon ankasa asra no ngono. Obe yi na ama Ayawasu is for. Na idwuma o se yema de so mamamfo no. Ye de asomo. Akomchiri
ya we bi awoka Ayawasu is not wadwen ma so ani ma asem ne yeken. As the cultures and this time CM flagging as one of the hot spots ewo election yekomu a e kire wadwumade ampanifo wo from aye ene ahofama amanfo eti sampotem nyina age atom say this time there yen tonkoso me yen kase mfa ho saada bia saada ni ma asem ne yeken enti yeka na wadwen abaso baba akomchiri wo nyame ala edi enkomo when say do ade sede atonenim efa akansi awokwo wo se kwan dem obetimi akọ.
Oh, Nyankopon amayati asese. On sesa wabrabo tire wa bibia fa ho. Waka o Qur'an mu. Se la yugayiru ma bikaum hatta yugayiru bi nafsihim. Onu Nyankopon on sesa ankrofo announce sesa ankrofo omakwan. Anani hiam on sesa no tire wa wotu anamo ayeden. Se opese osisa.
Okay.
No Nyankopon ede abuo. enti ese osoroboa
no boa no
enti sene oka no edi nkotodwe akọ nyame anim ena yenso adwuma a wosie ye ohunam fim yaye this time sene ye ka no ye de ensempa akoma Israel wasofo
okay
me nsema mekoina is a message of hope because over Israel was one of the problems is that there is so much hopelessness. People feel say abatro krano sebe yetona keke. I'm talking in terms of abatro.
Okay.
Menkase maybe the life of the people. I'm talking in terms of abatro.
Okay.
One purpose abatro ndi o mamenko tuna menko. Oh, we would to cry the same thing. So that must say. And among for ya paba our bathroom.
Okay.
Menim say baby sa AC. Enti ne ye ne say de ensempa sabin kran hye asem na koma awomo. No obi ehunu say woto aba mfa so papa betime firimu aba. Because the mra me wa kwatia na kwatia for hweme. Omuhunu ne ametimi ye mfie nan e de bo agro no. So that must say na me no ka say nyame Adom kwatia for benum nsuo for 41 years. 165 million project yakofa fiteki. Satam na company no guye no ama ko jenso na ye cholera. Enti me ko take na me hia nkofo bi. Ena na me no kasa ko jefo no nso for 41 years. Inso na no ordin to the sense that is the kede kura kan.
Hey.
Esanse akojefo ya na papa ndi.
Okay.
Omo biem e de kokede. Enti etira akotia nkoda e farm nsem etimi call soldier police omo bro 100 so what must say me be kwan ma because MP adwuma ne say wo kwan to baby kwan na
sure
wo bie pon baby etum so what must say anu ne MP adwuma anu so na me hwe metima kan si me bo say na akotia fon so timi enkoda metimi ma wo adwuma na mo so because civil service ebiko national health insurance ebiko other places I mean have born way na me facilitate here no almost 1,000
okay
so that must say it is a you can MP adwuma sebio madaroma and then say MP amount 200
okay
and then say MP amount 100 and then say MP as some brabo so that transforming the life of the people.
Okay.
Ade amanfo ni bi no no odiaba. A baby kwan na no abokwan to. No ahye nkrofo no kwan because one of the things that Israel was here pa a mentorship.
Okay.
So that man say wow most of the children no know be episode to because the road models they see near nkrofo a omanko abogesa aba.
Yeah.
But you were doctors or you were lawyers or you were engineers or who is bringing them together to serve as role model to the children? So I must say to the upcoming children. Kwadabe ko BEC cry, you see it me a woman, give them some courage. Say, we ni ya ubetimi abedani ti say woman who know me. Special lawyers want to be omo finima, nima no munye, na me Adom omotimi akọ law school. We are lawyers. Me who doctors omo nima. Me who and there are too many things to be done. Yeah, but it is about the most important constituency in Ghana.
Okay.
Mekanesa na mekanesa. When him say Jubilee House, eka Israel was. Once I come boni mangwa.
Yeah.
When him say Jubilee House can Israel was.
Kanda eho nyina.
When him say 37 military hospital, eka Israel was.
Yeah.
When him say NADMO headquarters, eka Israel was.
Sure.
Oka Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, eka Israel.
Yeah.
Holland Embassy, French Embassy, Czech Embassy, ni na wo Israel was. Ye ka a constituency 5 highways etwa nwahia. Nima Highway, Kanda Highway, Jubilee Highway, Ring Road Highway, and Obasanjo Highway. Ni na etwa Israel was. It tells you how the centrality of that constituency. But one and is supposed to the potential. Look at the number of banks. Yes. Banks
that's all Ring Road cry.
The number of banks and the number of Nima Highway, the number of go to Kanda, the number of law firms are a wakanda
yeah
law firms. But who is leveraging those benefits? One bonus law firms we know as soon as one can is I was of.
In fact, man, Pennycrat is I was.
The vice president quite is I was.
The vice is I
was Otikanda. Oh no, we not is I was, but Brabhe ni makwai. Brabhe ni makrono send it. So what must say?
Muni come for.
That is where the problem is.
Muni come for
leadership.
Muni be.
Oh, you were MP. And you know MP send your own concerns be one. But sebio. You will MP mu MP. And the MP be an sebio kwa or to me become wasam amawo. Send your cano say Israel was so up to today no. Bebre crow Israel was so not potential as a making. No one nim say what Israel was.
Yeah.
So what must say? In the French embassy, Omoma scholarship almost every year. Nipa hina benefited from Nima and Akanda and Aruga. One cry.
In some land Sunesi.
The land Sunesi. So what must say? Nipa hina fee Israel was on me more Nadmo. Nipa hina what Israel was Sebe. Yakaso social responsibility of the institution within our rank, no?
Sure.
Oma born in a way to say that they have given back to society. They are also money. And this is the reason why some of us are here. They are not even moon tears. Even when you cross a name and a mini, who is so be also. It's a meeting go be a good. I could tell you a woman there.
Okay.
No better 13 years, echo 14. You elementary, Anna. And me bring me off. Oh, Nima. Nima na me call secondary school. Nima me call sixth form. Me university. Me deputy general secretary first time. Grana me Nima.
Now Nima. But is it the first time I personal contest East Ayawaso constituency?
No. This is not the first time. In fact, in 2000, I did me move kwa Gujana. Na madam for me no sebi. Ebonko siata free.
Okay.
Ye dadam bakum. Ye share our secondary school and we were friends until his death.
Okay.
Said we were free. And go bomb fan the crazy. Your friend no our Jarakotoku. Many need and near Tidam back. No consensus secretary. 2000 was at that time near Twaba.
Yeah.
Now, one year booty near but do didn't go near booty one near booty and don't know what you say. Obejina East I was.
Okay.
Sabi mene no jina because me ware kwa no me abuchi ango best man.
Okay, best man.
The best man.
What be so nem contest. So na the kind it here.
Educating it. No, say me ko try me lock over akotia.
Oh, okay.
And then ma edimi ko pie akotia. Banya sanga is there was. O na sabi me cut me political tit. 1994 year trodi.
Yeah.
Na me presiding member. I'm electoral commission. E wo Nima Gota. Presiding member, I will Nima Gota. Nima na me cut me political teeth.
That was 1994.
1994, as far back as 1994. Now, Satam, say NDC need to be NDC, but on my age about me or my age.
Okay. I will say, make us also we have go far by. Koson ko be su baby. So it will be antias because na say baba jama kwa 1994 ko your presiding member the Mayisi when he was a card bearer member of NDC.
Ona me NDC or but you see we are NDC near.
And I presiding member
electoral commission ground so twaba.
Yeah.
But that time no me council so say 1992 no.
Yeah.
Na me open card bearer member.
Oh, okay.
Na me open. I became officially card bearer member of the NDC somewhere around 1996.
Oh, okay.
Na Satamani University in 1997. I think they are out and I share Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
Okay.
But now me Madam for Arajarko. No consent secretary.
Okay.
The more university na me ba me na party juma. So that myself. Enti obia onni me background no be for so na nima de bia o kwako gate crash o mo ntiase. O na me nyi nka o kwampo na nka me ware. Aboga bi na beje me yire en ha adwen kanga o se that time no boga for one hunte so
as a German boga for
German ya German that na German jira na so
what you pimpin is now
no be one anu na
baba mama me so the way yɛbɛkɔ akotia kodi hɔ no mo nkɔmɔ wabɔ so kakra ne ma waide ma amanfoɔ no amanfoɔ se nema deɛ sɛ woba na sɛ adɔyɛ ne mu ahofama ne mu a yɛntimi nto aba mfama amanfoɔ fi sɛ baba jama adɔyɛ ni ne mu ontimi ni yanim ɛsɛ MP menim sɛ sɛ wate
minia on ne dikampa no yɛma ɔman Ghana for and especially Eastern House for anti BBS.
Okay.
Is that some of confi efa Eastern House for no? The old person would say Eastern House for the one more music common to me.
Sana you see a koso.
But sebi. And when I'm person me among phone say obi ka sa kyerɛ wa yew.
But what's
oh Martin bebre and ye guso ebie amanfo ani.
Okay.
Se man tra no obi mekatro se meto vote and we are mouse ka ho nto aba. That is a sebi obo ade bo wo ma wadwen no that is a wadwen no. Sebi o na wan fan nya adwuma. Me maka kire amanfo e wo se na akoye amamre akoye bibi se traditional. Oko delegates wa sebi ubama omunsu.
Sure.
Ade bia me baba jama me de bema no e ya kyede.
Okay.
Enyina so nkasa wo tro aba oyesa na wa kyerɛ sɛ mato wadwen enyina so sa hwɛ nipa miensa na ejina no wan ne bitima ye ejuma no obi akonfie dumienu ontimi mfa ne nsa nkyerɛ bibi titiri so wɔ konso eno so no sɛ we mi na me ye na we mi na me ye obi nso afi no oba
yeah
we are not in for experiment yen konko try matra makoe baba jama onze me kwa me katrom se me no na afi na me be katro se so me hwe me ma bin dada e be kana shikeke
okay
because training bia wo se minya no na me adomanya
okay
se wo ka me started me politics student politics e wo nima and me wo University of Ghana
yeah
me local NUCS president me be local NUCS coordinating secretary so what must
yeah
and only one of the hottest contests amakope
yeah.
Coordinating secretary of Cape Coast. Okay. Looks for me what I mean. So what must
yeah.
Me call Africa as Australian African Student Council. I'm a member. Me free ho. So party worker. My from branch level up to deputy general secretary.
Okay. 2
terms. So what must say? Ye come minister so my deputy minister for 8 years in 5 ministries. So what must say? And so finally, parliament, I parliament 4 years.
Okay.
So there's no any aspect of politics mean to see that.
Okay.
Now me Adom sign a lawyer. And it's about Mranswa.
Okay.
Sebu met me I actually me bobre ho.
Sure.
And the training via was seminar as a sebi as to be a leader no inside the mensaka.
Yeah.
And the nya fe na me ka se mo ntra me hwe na me stra mo no say Mr. Israel also for the ombem omdo mkoko muti ekakaka meshe
baba na wodwane free akotia
me nwane me na mesi me nkobi
ade
ne dikan akotia no me koye no onse me che kwan mu kakra because na akotia fo bi kra full say ya impose me omuso because me free nima na all of a sudden ya bu me din akotia
okay
so admazi and me who some few even resistance
within the party
of course within the party enti me kwa kwadia no so oh me ntimi ntwa ontro me ye juma wo se MP bia
okay
and next akwadia fo no nsuo pa ifi baba jama akwadia fo denjambo district baba jama akwadia fo e block water cross baba jama akwadia fo village bia nipa 200 wo omu num nsuo omu num potable water either a borehole or electric borehole. Ni me electric borehole boreholes go 42 all villages.
It one man crofobia day a more personal interest I push you okay.
So me yimeyem esuma kwatia.
Okay.
Esuma my Ghana because 7 my contribution to politics in this country when him say it's obvious so be intimi ne wechine so atmosphere enti myself o manakotia myself do baby hwe me hwe nkwada be 160 plus ewo various tertiary institutions. I'm a sponsor on full scholarship. Nezebia, 200 and 300.
Okay.
I'm ready to do so say Ghana person ko training kwada o Cuba.
Yeah.
Midin kwada 6 ne fia kotia ekoe. SS kwada o 7 ehia forma. And no we na medical doctors I mean o kaze omwo Ghana. Okay. What must say? Inti me suma kotia won kwanso. But 7 embreeders. You see Nkrodoso entrafa ko enye nimbuase.
Yeah.
Me sum akotia wo mpemnu na 2016 when you say tsunami na farm amfo bebre no.
Yeah.
A farming so because akotia no obi also be at akotia na MPP stronghold. And 2 years from 2000 presidential.
Yeah.
NDC MPP na wini de bia.
Yeah.
But parliamentary no so MPP for mucha na afem. Oh, me say me winning with only 557 votes.
Yeah.
That time John Mahama no me president who lose by 1,600 or more.
Okay.
And I mean look say I go to NDC ni na o MPO. O winning with 1,157. Me look say John Mahama lose with close to 2,000. So that has been the trend.
Okay.
Until May we lose 2006. Me can on national TV. So me mama otiase. We did 88 years. Me mama no say baba me nyina wakotie bi.
Enye
Me mama and the catch them say baba wasuma kotia ne kwanso. Na okamo sika za jeme. Me a fighter.
Yeah.
When they say me call 2000. We fighter me fight here 2000. Even though MPP stronghold but me no more boss so power until say me win here. Easy.
Yeah.
After 3 to 4 times we. But Dana me mama can say them it affected me. In fact, me who say me mama na no raho. I'm an inequality. And that was that very day. Oh, you to abandon there. In fact, say Ochina. The next day na me ko chia me mama.
Okay.
And I'm mama can say them. That very day na me call and me can say me na go there for politics me we. Me na me announce we. Man champion my BINC e be 3 months 4 months and I be primary say but they be me na me caucus there me dey. Me contest ya kwatie bio.
Was it because abeye NPP seat intino say na baba koso e contest anhwa na Yakobu bu ne famfram.
And this ni no. And this ni so be wi no. Me ti radio so na me kasa obi bisa kwatiafo a. Me na me be so na sen.
Okay.
Me ko track kwatie ye adwuma from area to area, zongo to zongo, clam to clam. Obi abedi adanse akwatiafo we. Ah me de support no ma enne. We ni. Engineers akwatiano sabi na me ne popular. Me stand primaries all 10 times me win. NDC me win. And no doubt about that. But sabi see and much do so you must know as a politician when to bow out.
Okay.
And especially when you good advice from your mother who is my everything. So what must say? Okay. You need to take that.
So it means Ayawasu East Ayawasu so obey so no. Something of that sort a push out unya so be catch us a call. One can say about
if I come to East Ayawas, oh nyedika no ba Quran mo yankopon kasemitre. O say Allahumma al-malikul mulk tuti mulku man tasha wa tunzi'u mulku mimman tasha. O say nyankopon na osihini. Okay. No twin. Oba Bible mo so dey say. Yeah. O say ono no osihini no twin. So what must say? Enti Baba Jaman se me wini East Ayawas onyankopon ne besini. Okay. Enye nipa. So what must say? Okay. And se onyankopon so ka se ne openo o de ama we a ye na ye ndisifo ye be kan ye ho abom edi nipa ko achi. Okay. Na yakosom party no. So what must say? Sure. Because party no ne hu ya 2024 is non-negotiable. I say NDC ba power. Non-negotiable.
2024.
No, non-negotiable. December 7th 2024 about one economy. And not about personal interest. And not about individual. It's about the party. We must win. But Upa East Ayawas, so the problem with East Ayawas is that your votes. So Upa Tima check your vote net. So from 2012
Okay.
We have been reducing in votes.
Yes, I know your last percentage, Mustafa Ahmed, the former deputy sports minister, was about 89%.
Na gap no
and
so
about somewhere 60-62%.
Yes, so it tells you, say, if you are not careful, anything can happen.
But he keeps winning.
Yeah, no, as for a parliamentary, you can win with even one vote.
Yeah.
But the presidential shows that the president gets more than the candidate. So that's not a good thing for us. So what must say? Because in every parliamentary way, the candidate must be more popular.
Yeah.
So what must say? Because of his personal president, no. And this year, Tony, but
even with 2016, Abra Tsunami Baye, Ma Eka, even Jamahama, Iowa so East, move votes Costa Kakra.
No, checking here. We check votes now, but only say from 2012, no. 2012, no. May started from 2012, because 2012, near Creti, we know that we check constituency.
Yeah. Okay, so 2012, money about 65.2%.
Okay.
Then 2016, about 60.1%.
That's right.
Now, 2016, East Iowa So constituency parliamentary results, NDC, 62.1%. That's the candidate in another presidential. About 60.14%.
No, check it 2020.
2020.
Yes, and then the latest.
Yeah. Okay.
So check 2020, among the latest results, then you see what I'm telling you.
Okay. So, me share 2020 parliamentary results from East Iowa So constituency in the Greater Accra region. Now, presidential 63.17%.
Yes.
That's John Dramani Mahama. Parliamentary 61.18%.
So that's what I'm telling you. So what man says. So you see the difference. 63
against 61
is a bad difference in terms of percentage.
Yeah.
So about 2 percentage points.
Yeah.
So what I can say, in your strongholds, we are political scientists. In your strongholds, you should be increasing your votes.
Dynamics in society. Looking at the last percentage from Mustafa Ahmed Ejade Mamu.
Mustafa Ahmed, we uniform because Mam will be north and east combined.
Okay. It's over 2012.
From 2010, that is where you look at the trend from.
Okay.
I'm saying that when you are in your stronghold, for example, MPP in Ashanti will always want to increase their votes.
Sure.
NDC in Volta will always want to increase our votes. So that much into where you have your stronghold and your votes come down, then it's a problem. So what then there's a fundamental problem.
Yeah.
And then BBI where party money bit me so what
okay.
But we are just giving you the gist of the problems that we are going through. So that's why I'm saying that our party members are gradually losing hope in voting. Into things like apathy we sent in. Look at MPP vote. Check MPP vote. It has increased. In fact, there are now almost 15,000 in Nima, in East Iowasu.
Okay.
Which is a huge number.
Yeah.
In a stronghold like
in terms of decimal figures.
In terms of absolute figures. It's a huge number. They are almost 14,000 plus. So what I'm saying is there is the need for a new life to be, inspired into.
Who did it say more current MP in one from the month for East Iowa?
I won't mean being put to raw say.
Okay.
But the Americans say me full say Emra say system. Because our comprehension where election we are calling vote no ever form.
Okay.
The first vote no or do over 13,000 or plus in the difference.
Yeah.
The vote now about 8,000 plus.
Over
the years.
Baba, and yet dynamics as looking at
there's no any dynamics
population
there.
Growth, the kind of encrofor, for example, we should be able to say as one say one of the strongest hosts of Edma NDC. But you see, over the years, NPP
so
even somewhere in voter region. At first, now NPP claimed to me immensely.
So let the people there know that when your votes keep coming down,
it
is about time to change. Wherever you see your votes coming down,
challenge by
no, it's not the party. Wherever you see the votes starting back for more, then you should know that there is a problem. So what must say?
Magic
not necessarily say, for example, personality.
Okay.
Yes, tria ensio a che to mo a so a dude change is good. You change for better. You don't change for worse.
Maybe some changes are dangerous.
Yes, but opeso kasa nana do change na bad. Oh, opeso kasa nana do change na bad. Nana do dey na o can dey fine. So nana do change dey afro kana for. Obi ehun dey ya bad change.
Baba change be dangerous.
But change be dangerous. Nana do dey dangerous change. So what must say? But some changes are good.
Okay.
There are changes that you change not because you see sometimes grano. On say na no you can say when him that dey Ghana your financial situation na bad no. Can of reach out to India. On say MP before grade do baby o man kasa kura say yen change papa no na his involvement is not the best.
Okay.
Yen kasa papa no near time.
Okay.
But you see his presence in the financial setup of this country no. It's not good for this country.
Dear na baba jama baba ye East ayawa suntia. Ayo for Mpensenpensemu.
Me de encourage eba.
Any idea there?
Me ba bibie abokwan.
Come the boys no.
Oh, minya. I'm not going there to give them fish. I'm going to teach them how to fish. Okay. I'm going to create employment for them, facilitate employment for them. One of the things that I have done, so oba me pledges am dey buy. Me name say me dey copy buyer. Me wo pledges am aye.
Okay.
I am a vision. A vision, me mission wa.
Okay.
Mature 15 pledges I remember what I intend to do 15. To transform 15
as a member of parliament.
Oh yes.
Pledges
15 of it. Inshallah by God.
Baba ye ma can't just say MP do.
But that is why I did this. My ye be wakwetia pen. I am not a novice. My ye be pen. Se so obofo ni ne na me den.
Pressure bound so almost some adwino.
Me ye obofo ni ne na mgu apaso. My ye be that have the track record. And for the first time I say I will be an accessible leader.
Okay.
Who should show me I will be home. Me say make creating youth skill fund. Nkwada people will Nima. When you say Nima a very populous area.
Skillful area.
Omunya ya ombesi juma. But who is helping them? So that say me bofotro at all. Me leverage on institutions na wo ye constituency no me nyina no.
Okay.
Number uses that for na hwe nkwada among.
Okay, so for two a wo boato na amanfo contribute. Na also do MPs come on
media gum. Na me Christos nkwada me sim ohwe za we na. Meja we amawa.
Okay.
Fatu odachi asemunti. Me second me me start o me second year me non man first year. Me the first year no be den be bo photo no apesika gum. Me start second year na every year me training kwada 100.
Mate. Baba say Baba Jama obi a wo pray. Say NDC ade share wo East Ayawa so won crampo mpene man temeto abade amane se o member parliamentary candidate for the constituency. On en twetwe mo en ka se me on 13th May 2023 na NDC abeko EU amra che for any penny obedu anim atuma mpane franka ade wontina sa komodie ye twetwe se be koso se ya amenye we emran baba emeto as ne he the 15 pledges you what the man for wo East Ayawa so constituency bedwam e ba se. Akwasisia, good morning. My name is 2 p.m. from Asante Mampo. Ask Honorable Baba Jama his achievement in NDC and what he seeks to do for the great NDC party.
My achievement is very open. Who doesn't know Baba Jama in Ghana? My records are open records. I have served this party from branch up to the Deputy General Secretary, and I served for 2 terms. So I must say.
Okay.
It was when we got into power that I was appointed a minister. That's why I left the party headquarters. Then my achievements and my support and my fight for this party is an open secret. I don't need to recount them. What I want to achieve for the people of East Iowa is what I was talking about.
But dear now, because you say, oh, by for tour. Sika ma nes baba nyan start here sada aka kira man for East Ayawa so ana
ne pesa oti ase ne se obi ani nani mo de kobo busian.
Oh, okay.
Obi minia obi nsa wo nim anya de bobusian me de manim ye o
mo mfio ene mo
mfio ko mo mfio me de mo ko mba fie me but anya busian o ready 8 of me we na me we na
pledge no
me no 7 of my pledge na me say I pledge to work with all institutions and companies in East Ayawaso municipality to create a fund for the support and facilitation of education and developmental projects for my constituents, leveraging on their social responsibility for the community. You know, there is a social responsibility law in this country. Institution be a well, so obwa. When you say there was your 4 TV stations, in fact 5. Your GTV,
okay.
Your TV3.
I'm more GBC Ankasa.
GBC Ankasa,
yeah.
The whole
GBC, yeah.
Okay. Your TV3,
okay.
Your home-based TV,
yeah.
Your Unia TV,
yeah.
Your channel 247,
yeah.
Ni now one concerns you.
We now see CSR.
It tells you that what we have and what we can leverage on. Let me tell you one thing I did for Agwajia people, and I'm talking to Abuabo people.
Okay.
Abuabo, time I work with you, could be a friend Abuabo. Your company we friend GOPDC.
Okay.
A Belgian company, so me young go. Abuabo for no honor on workers in the bread. A crew and a show on farm.
Yeah.
Me koko hu GOA managing director. And in the trans, I'm saying, near friend Jared or a Belgian. I'm saying, Masa, won't me better who that light one. Me men crow for me your mama no mudesu. What do you do to bring light to that place? Okay. Let me tell you, sir, in 2015,
okay,
they spent over 600,000 600,000 plus. No more light feel coming in. Wow. So it tells you
because
what
of intervention now.
Exactly. I went and approached them. That is the type of leadership we are talking about. And you be an abambe. And you be an abambe abakas on the brewo. Okay. But a pumbi or who know boom near bill. Okay. Na 777 uko boom so no nimnia we. Nessa ukum no a dambian said your boom. When you boom den when you boom gentle. Okay. Every cry a mere bell. So it depends on who is approaching it.
And so Baba Jama catch say East Ayawaso for say. Nenimu drew to the stand say neso pe emwa ewo constituency from companies na. Then sabe to me a come what they say pledges way.
Milia. Baba Jama meti sebe obi ni me bobre okrem. Ndofo say me ni krano, me ni amanfo ejuma as political colleagues. Yeah. Across board. MPP or NDC. Yeah. Me ni nkrofo school from university up to this level. Men nkrofo ejuma both home and abroad. Okay. So what must say obi nim sebi obi nim Baba Jama ne bobre. Me baba ye di abemu 8 years. Ye ka sebio scandal what is them make abi ho. And what is it sebi skebi afa me nsema ayirada. Sebi obi nim say ba nokredia me di nokre. Okay. And these are the qualities I am leveraging on to make sure say my boys remember make a baby job. And my wo East Ayawaso. And my wo East Ayawaso. Me person ben say ye can enterprising women now. You find them in East Ayawaso. Do you know that we have one of the biggest markets in Accra in West Africa? The Mahmudu market. Yeah. Me just share me pledge in say me ba. I will lobby for it to be built into a multi-purpose market. Wow. In 2020, it was in our manifesto as NDC. Okay. I am going to ensure that it remains in the manifesto because you know manifestos can change. Yeah. But I will ensure that it remains in the manifesto. I will talk to my people. Okay. Only said East I was going to lose NDC order since 1992. Okay. So, but a dear partner NDC as a government here, because next 2005, yeah. So, yeah, by you didn't be a share East I was when you so that must say, okay. Can that area, and Nipa Hene was say, you peja one because that place looks beautiful, but we have people there who need support, who needs to be raised, businessmen who need to be encouraged, teachers, East Ayawaso. What scheme can we put together so that they will be encouraged to teach our children better? Okay. I'm telling you things that are practical. I'm not telling you things that are out of the moon. Okay. I'm telling you simple things that are practical.
And easy to verify.
Easy to verify, easy to do. Okay. Call people, How many businessmen want to say, if I was to say, Yetimia Bob, doctors in Nima Clinic, doctors in 37.
Okay.
Do you know one certain? What do you say apart from Nima Clinic in 37? The whole of Israel from Ring Road, Akokosiwenu, you need one health center. And you are
Baba Jama, Epe, Mashibija, Akunya, or any Samyoko or East Iowa constituency in the Greater Accra region. As some favor be a serious and critical.
Masa me can't some one Nima Trawa, Oberfuse in Accra. Me o video, I met him in the Achro. You wrote, none more boy, how many boys and one of a boy. One who rose. I go across Central.
What's Baba? You better say.
And one thing I may say, I'm bringing message of hope. I'm coming to work with the people. I'm coming to work for the people. I know that together we can achieve for that place.
But there are questions here. Now, second say cover production to watch none of the side here. I will be able to do so. Macro.